In this video, we'll discuss how to edit your business page. After signing in, click on Dashboard. Click on Listings. Click on the three dots icon for the business you would like to work on. Then click on Edit. You'll be taken to the Edit page. If you are editing for the first time, we suggest that you focus on the main fields and come back to the rest later. The main fields are business name, address and phone, category, hours, and description. On the Edit page, edit your business name if necessary. You can skip the tagline for now. Enter or edit your street address, city, state, and zip if necessary. Enter your phone number. You can enter your website URL if you have one. Edit your category if necessary. Choose the category that best describes your business. We have 21 categories. If you are not sure, just choose business and office. Depending on the category you chose, you can provide additional business information. You can come back to this later. Set the hours for each day of the week that you are open. For example, if your hours are Monday to Saturday, 11 a.m. to 9 p.m., then set Monday, then 11 a.m., and then 9 p.m. Then, click the blue plus sign. Repeat these steps for Tuesday through Saturday. Your results will look like this. Social media links can be added later. Enter a description for your business. It can be short, you can always update it later. You can skip adding images for now. The featured image is the image used on our search results pages. Click Update and View, and you are done. We have many other tutorials to help you use our platform. Please check out our website for more information.